basically help you understand what are the placement for different branches, and you can take a right decision. So this college, the placement for this college, highest placement was earlier 40 lakhs, but now one student has got a 64 lakhs in a company called 24G. So this is the highest placement for 2021. 64 lakhs is a good number. This was the earlier, highest salary, which was 40 lakhs for a company called MU Sigma, which is based out of Bangalore. So you see that this college has got a good placements now, and the most of the computer ISC and EC and the students are getting. So this is about, I'm covering every company. So Informatica, so 4 students you can see here, and which got placed, and their branches. So purpose is to understand, which branch, which student and which company they have got, and collect this data and take your decisions. So 10 Netcracker, 10 students got placed, and the company and the branches were computer science, EC, and electrical electronics. So different type of companies allow different type of students. So it did not allow, ISC students. And this is how, those 11 students got placed from in this different branches. So right, couple of them from EC, and then EE, and many of them from CSE. Similarly, as a mass recruiter or a bulk recruiter is the TCS, right? So 34 is a big number, and you see mechanical, electrical, electronics, all branches are allowed to sit in the placements. And this is how, students got it. So you see top row called ISC, and then EC at the bottom. These 4 students are from mechanical and 1 from electrical on this screen, right? So the point is that, all type of, branch students get opportunities in mass recruiters like TCS, Cognizant, and others. And that's what I am covering. There's a company called Infosyn, IVL Infosyn Lab. So they have got around 12 to 13 people. So you can see those with their branches on this screen, right? And then Sonata, a well-known company in Bangalore, computer science, information and electronics. So they're not allowed mechanical, electrical, or civil people. And this is how the breakup of those offers are there. So you can see mix of EC and CSE. So it's not that every company will only allow CSE. So please do take CSC, ISC, EC, and the other branches as well. L&T Infotech, 9 offers, even including 1 from electrical and electronics. So that's they allow all 4 branches. So 1 student got electrical, and other were a couple from IC, CSC, from ISC, and mix of them. And similarly, there's again the bulk recruiter from Bangalore, right? 32 offers from Mindtree. So again, they allowed electronics and EC, information science, and computer science. So a lot of good companies allow all the 3 branches. Don't restrict yourself to only computer science. And this here it's not a branch is not mentioned, but there's a mix of students who got placed out of the 30 to 33 students which I mentioned in the previous. And this information is all collected from given by the college itself, and it is not nothing which I have created. So identity purpose is just to guide you. You see the data and take your own decisions, right, based on you want to be sticking to Bangalore or you want to explore good colleges outside Bangalore. So now this is Accenture. So 32 offers from Accenture and 8 from UFlex. So you see 40 offers, and they allowed civil, mechanical, electronics, everybody. So you can actually get some fair idea of which companies are allowing which type of students, and how they excel, right? And so that is this is not a complete 510 offers which I showed in the first slide, but this is a mix of what they have shared details, right? And you can see different set of people. You may see few people repeating in somehow because they may get multiple offers. So that is how the college says that some students get multiple offers, right? So that way, the point is that there are a lot of good number of bulk recruiters which is visiting this campus for taking the students, and they get placed in Bangalore and the other cities, right? So that benefit at least is there. And a lot of students, and this is a UFlex, I said 8 or 9 offers. So you can see 2 people from UFlex, and they are joining from mechanical engineering. The top you can see a student from civil engineer. These are all mechanical engineers. So you see, so it's not like that placements will not be there for other students, but will be there. Infosys allows mechanical engineer also. Infosys allows electronics engineer also. So computer, IC, EC, and mechanical. So it's all depending on how the company allows. You can see mechanical engineering student. You can see even MTech student here, and a couple of students from other branches, right? So but a lot of them were mechanical, right? So the mechanical students also get into IT companies. So only thing is we have to see the colleges where you have more of a bulk recruiters, right? Then mechanical, civil, electrical students also get placed, but 100% placement in none of these branches will happen. Even 50% placement in mechanical, civil and electrical will be considered good. There's another company called Allegion, 11 offers, and they allowed all the 3 top branches only, which is CSE, ESE, ECE and ISE. So you see, it's not company will only allow CSE. Most company will allow CSE, ECE and IC by default, right? But this company, you see, it did not allow ISE. It allowed only CSE and electronics, right? 13 Mercedes-Benz, 13 offers, good company, right? And they have operations in that region, and these are those 13 students, right? Here many of them are ECE and most of them are CSE, so that way. And then now it is Cognizant in Bangalore. Again, they allow electrical and mechanical engineer both, but by default first 3 courses, CSE, ISE and EC students are allowed, right? So this is again the mix of those students which got through Cognizant. So you see a lot of at least 5 to 6 big recruiters of which I have showed. These are the mechanical, all mechanical and electrical students. So they are all mechanical electrical students get jobs in IT companies if they are a mass recruiter, and you have to take full opportunity, benefit of that opportunity. Otherwise few companies which are there from mechanical areas, and those will not be a mass recruiter. They will be taking couple of students on this. I think for those type of things, I don't see any collage created by college, but 100% there will be placement. There will be few students getting placement from those. So I'm assuming 40 to 50% from those from those core branches, and 70 to 80% placement from IT or EC branches is actually considered as a good, and that is a good. There's a company called Corel, right? So this is few of the students from there. So 6 offers. So overall, my objective was to showcase what college has provided information with respect to this thing, and I have also done a review, complete 20 colleges placement review only based on NRF data. So you can find that video in my channel. So hope there you will get more informations like this. Please write to me if you have another query, and please see the full review of this college which is on my channel. Thank you for watching me, and please do subscribe and like the video. Thank you.